Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can change location sticker color on Instagram stories. So let's start. First open Instagram. Go to Story. Add your photo. Now tap on text. Now double tap on this icon. Now tap on location. Search your location. Now write anything you want. Now tap on color wheel. Now choose the color you want. If you want more text color, hold your finger down on one of the color circles. Now, you can pick any color from here. If you want to pick color from the photo, just tap on this icon and pick your color. You can erase text if you just want location. Now tap on Done. Now place. Tap on location sticker for different variations of the color scheme. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.